If you want to learn how to stop cracking, so you have to do falsetto first before you do vocal cord compression. Right now, it's just fascinating that people can crack. Right? Let me tell you a story. See it? I was in church on Sunday and I was singing this song by Nathaniel Bassey. Naro, Naro. I was singing this song by Nathaniel Bassey and I was supposed to sing the high part. I was I didn't score the song before I came on stage. This is why you need to practice. But if you don't practice, you can still be perfect. As long as you've done your practice back in your days. Like I'm the spirit of music. I didn't practice that song, I just came. And if I had 10,000 tongues, it still would be enough now. Then, bro, Shukun was coming. I was like, bro, what do I do? So instead of using because now I've learned the song, then I have the vocal resonance. I know I'm doing I'm compressing I'm doing all the vocal science stuff. But you know what I just did then? Because stuff like and but mostly stuff like and they compress your vocal cords, they make your voice compressed. And vocal cord compression helps you, makes you sound a bit raspy and harsh and sharp, you know? It makes your voice sound like chest voice. In fact, it's chest dominant mix. So I was like, I didn't want to go, it won't sound well, you see? Because once you get the see, the voice already distorted. So you know what I did? I didn't say the song. I went. I did. So you have to do falsetto first before you do vocal cord compression. Simple as that. You have to go. If you use the S, that's vocal cord compression. That's meant to be for. It will sound really bad. So I stopped. I didn't say the SH sound. I didn't say the ch. I didn't say the S. So I just go. And the song went fine. So this is a simple trick for you right now. If you want to be that good in music, if you want to use your brain so you don't get fucked over, because seriously, I'm telling you, I have a lot to live up to. I've never cracked for a long time now, and you have to stay alert so you don't crack. Master your vocals, master your vocal pedagogy. So it's that simple. If you don't know what to say, I think somebody met me after and was like, you are not pronouncing the words right. It's chuku, not ooh. And I told him, brother, I know it's chuku. You just don't. CH compresses the vocal cords and I didn't practice. So I have to do you understand? So that's why you need to practice the song. If you're not practicing the song, let's say maybe you're at my level or higher, all you have to do is what I'm doing now. Make sure you master your vowel modifications, your formants, vocal formants, and your modes, so you know what to do to save yourself. That millisecond you make that decision to save your life. Don't make this mistake. I was so happy when I got off stage and I didn't make that crack. I was like, bro, if I cracked thousands of followers. But cracking, I mean, you shouldn't be scared of cracking. Right now, it's just fascinating that people can crack. You understand? So if you want to learn how to stop cracking, check out the YouTube channel, link in bio. You'd love it. Subscribe and follow.